Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Five Nights at Freddy's on piano easily. First, let's find the main melody. Start by locating middle C on your piano. Use your right hand to play the melody slowly, paying close attention to the rhythm. Don't worry about speed yet. Accuracy is key. This foundational step will build your confidence for the rest of the song. Now, let's bring in your left hand to add some depth. You'll want to learn simple two-note or three-note chords that complement the melody. Practice coordinating your left-hand chords with your right-hand melody. The goal is to achieve smooth transitions between each chord change. This adds a fuller sound to your performance, making it more engaging. Next, let's focus on rhythm and dynamics. It's important to maintain a steady tempo throughout the entire piece. Try experimenting with varying the volume, playing some parts softer and others louder, to create a dramatic effect. Using a metronome can greatly improve your timing and consistency, helping you keep a solid beat as you play. Finally, here are some practice tips to help you master the song. Practice in short, focused sessions daily for the best results. If you encounter a difficult section, break it down into smaller, more manageable parts. As your skills grow, consider learning additional Five Nights at Freddy's songs to expand your repertoire. Keep practicing, and you'll sound great.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.